bond is $1,000. Are you requesting a court-appointed lawyer?
Yeah.
Give me a yes or a no.
Yeah.
Is there something you don't understand about give me a yes or no? I don't expect anything but a yes or a no. Not a maybe so, or a yeah, or anything else.
Yeah.
Or something. I heard what you said. Your bond just went up to $2,000.
Bail was actually designed for the very purpose to release people prior to trial, so that we didn't keep human beings who are presumptively innocent in a jail cell away from their families and their communities and their homes before we determine whether they're guilty of anything or not. But over the last century, and particularly over the rise of mass incarceration in the last 40 years, we've started to use money bail as a way of keeping poor people in jail prior to their trial. The vast majority of people who are arrested by our criminal punishment bureaucracy are poor, and they're disproportionately people of color. And all over the country, no matter what they're charged with, the decision about whether to keep them in a jail cell or not is made on the basis of how much money they have in their pocket. Our jails around this country are places in which we inflict enormous pain. People are deprived of fresh air and sunlight and exercise. They're victims of sexual and physical violence and stabbings and beatings. These are places of family separation. And all of it is happening in Harris County and all over the country solely because people can't make a monetary payment. Before your bail hearing, you were ordered not to speak.
Don't say anything. All of you are here to listen and not talk. You're not here to argue about anything to do with the case.
Are you requesting the court to appoint you a lawyer, or are you going to hire your own lawyer?
The court lawyer. But I had to say something, ma'am. I was
No,
coming
you
from
don't
work.
have to say anything, Mr. English. You get to say that to your court-appointed lawyer. Thank you. You can go at the desk.
It's not really a very meaningful hearing if the person who the hearing is about, whose life is on the line, can't even utter a word. And so one of the things we saw over and over again in these videos were magistrates making fun of people who were arrested for sleeping under a bridge, yelling at people, doubling their money bail if they said yeah instead of yes, inflicting such pain and such cruelty on an everyday level to the point where that kind of brutality became normalized in Harris County. The people that worked in that system didn't even notice it because they were doing it 20,000 times every single year. And it's that system that we sued, and it's that system that's unconstitutional. It's that system that our lawsuit has fixed. The same thing that was happening in Harris County is happening to varying degrees in virtually every other city and town in this country. And there's a growing movement all over the country that recognizes the incredible unfairness and injustice and ineffectiveness of a system that bases access to liberty and to bodily freedom on the amount of money you have in your wallet.